Hello friends, welcome to the channel DUDR Academy. In this video, I have included the question paper discussion, Nursing Tutor 2007 question paper. The next question, the tissue reaction is highest with which of the following suturing materials? Options are plain catgut, chromic catgut, nylon, vicryl. The tissue reaction is highest in which of the following suturing material? Correct answer is plain catgut. Then the next question, method of administering a drug by topical friction over skin is called instillation, inunction, insertion, insufflation. Correct answer here is inunction. The method of administering a drug by topical friction over skin is known as inunction. The next question, London-Browder chart is used for which of the following conditions? Options are head injury, acute abdomen, burns, bone injury. London-Browder chart is used for, the right answer is burns. Haversian canals are found in options bone, brain, lung, kidney. Correct answer is bone. Haversian canals are found in bone. Next question, which of the following fontanelle in child is the first to close? Options frontal, occipital, sphenoid, mastoid. Which of the following fontanelle in child is the first to close? Correct answer is occipital. Occipital fontanelle in child is the first to close. Tetany can be produced by which of the following electrolyte disturbance? Options hypocalcemia, hypermagnesemia, hypercalcemia, hyponatremia. Correct answer is hypocalcemia. The next question, which of the following ions is most abundant in extracellular fluid? Options are sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonate. Correct answer is sodium. Sodium is most abundant in extracellular fluid and potassium is most abundant in intracellular fluid. The next question, most frequently fractured carpal bone is? Options lunate, pisiform, scaphoid, hamate. Right answer is scaphoid. Scaphoid is the most frequently fractured carpal bone. The next question, which of the following extraocular muscles is not supplied by third cranial nerve? Which of the following extraocular muscles is not supplied by third cranial nerve? Options superior oblique, inferior oblique, superior rectus, inferior rectus. Correct answer is superior oblique. Superior oblique is not supplied by third cranial nerve. It is supplied by the fourth cranial nerve. Then the next question, for effective sterilization, steam in an autoclave should be at a pressure of 15 pound per square inch for 30 minutes and at a temperature of. Options are 100 degrees Celsius, 101 degrees Celsius, 121 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Celsius. For effective sterilization, steam in an autoclave should be at a pressure of 15 pound per inch square for 30 minutes and at a temperature of. Here the correct answer is the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius. The next question, mask-like facies is a typical feature of. Options tetanus, hypothyroidism, Parkinson's disease, Down syndrome. Right answer is Parkinson's disease. Mask-like facies is a typical feature of Parkinson's disease. The next question, Klebsiella bacillus is the name of which of the following bacteria? Clostridium tetani, Haemophilus influenza, Corynebacterium diphtheria, Lactobacillus. The correct answer is Corynebacterium diphtheria. Loeffler bacillus is the name of Corynebacterium diphtheria. The next question, majority of the cases of mother to child or vertical transmission of HIV occurs during? Options: antepartum period, intrapartum period, postpartum period and breastfeeding. Majority of the vertical transmission of HIV occurs during. The right answer is intrapartum period. The next question: to calculate the dose of a medicine for a child, which of the following formula is used? Young's rule, Clark's rule, Freud's rule, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Guillain-Barré syndrome is a disease of which of the following? Options: brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerve, all of the above. The right answer is peripheral nerve. Guillain-Barré GB syndrome is a disease of peripheral nerve. The next question: which of the following is not a parameter for Glasgow Coma scale? Options are eye opening, pupillary response, verbal response, motor response. The right answer is pupillary response. Eye opening, verbal response and motor response are the parameters assessed in Glasgow Coma scale. Then which of the following is not a species of Plasmodium parasite? Options: Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium mexicana, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium vivax. Which of the following is not a species of Plasmodium parasite? Here the correct answer is Plasmodium mexicana. The next question: life cycle of malarial parasite was first described. Options: Ronald Ross, Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Bantering and Best. The right answer is Ronald Ross. Life cycle of malarial parasite was first described by Ronald Ross. The next question: which of the following is recommended along with intravenous administration of quinine sulfate for treatment of malaria? Which of the following is recommended along with intravenous administration of quinine sulfate for treatment of malaria? Options: hydrocortisone, multivitamin, glucose, calcium gluconate. The correct answer is glucose. Glucose is administered along with intravenous administration of quinine sulfate because quinine may cause hypoglycemia. That is, quinine is a stimulant to the release of insulin from pancreatic beta cells and it may cause hypoglycemia. So that is why glucose is recommended along with quinine sulfate. Rice water stool is a typical finding in cases of options: cholera, typhoid, ulcerative colitis, amoebiasis. Correct answer is cholera. Rice water stool is a typical finding in cholera. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you all like this video. Also share to your friends.